Hey everyone, welcome back to Rovix. Today we're taking a look at Kingdom Match, Royal Adventure, a colorful Match 3 puzzle game that combines gem-matching gameplay with kingdom building and restoration mechanics. At first glance, the game follows the familiar formula that puzzle fans already know. You match 3 or more gems of the same color to complete objectives and progress through increasingly challenging levels. However, Kingdom Match adds an extra layer of progression by allowing players to rebuild and decorate different parts of a royal kingdom. Every puzzle you complete helps restore castles, gardens, and other beautiful locations throughout the adventure. Visually, the game looks bright and polished. The colorful gems, smooth animations, and detailed environments create a relaxing atmosphere that makes it easy to play for long sessions. As you advance through the game, you'll unlock boosters and special combinations that help clear difficult levels. Strategic use of these power-ups becomes increasingly important as the puzzles become more challenging. Another highlight is the kingdom building system. Instead of simply moving from one puzzle to another, you constantly feel like you're making progress by improving and expanding your kingdom. The game also introduces new obstacles and objectives over time, helping to keep the gameplay fresh and preventing levels from feeling too repetitive. Of course, if you've played other Match 3 games before, many of the core mechanics will feel familiar. But the combination of puzzle solving, kingdom restoration, and charming visuals creates an enjoyable experience. Overall, Kingdom Match. Royal Adventure is a relaxing and entertaining puzzle game with plenty of content, rewarding progression, and beautiful presentation. If you enjoy Match 3 games, kingdom building, and casual mobile adventures, this game might be worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.